And sisters, what more you need to see? A time feel we play, and time feel we play, and time feel we play. Free from all the lands, some all the lands of we captivity. The most I said we flee from mystery Babylon. Yes, cause it is Uncle Sam. Free from out of England, free from the Canadian land, free from out of Switzerland, free from out of France, free from out of Germany. When you have the chance, flee back to the wilderness where Christ tell we fi run. When him say flee from out of Jerusalem, when you see Romans a come in West Africa, that's how my forefathers them try settle down until Christopher Columbus the Edomite him come take us down, and them still a do the same genocide. Looking at Ferguson, we fi play a time feel we play, a time feel we play. Free from all the lands, some all the lands of we captivity. Marcus Mosiah say repatriation. Love still a set up shop for live up in a Babylon. 70 AD with Titus and Vespasian. But chase my forefathers I'm out of Jerusalem to the African land. Christ tell us to run to Africa to the Atlas mountain, where my forefathers lived for 1,000 years before they found them. Brought us to the west to build up them streets in the Gagan fountain. Them tell us we are Africans when them know that we are Israelite. The most I say gonna rise us up, eat Babylon no like. That's why them change the history, trying to teach us so we don't see the light. The most I be fight for the people them, but the people not live right. Them a plan a genocide fi kill off the most I messenger. Them know that in the last day we are gonna return back to Africa. So Babylon said them scientists go spread Ebola. A time feel we play, and time feel we play, and time feel we play. Free from all the lands, some all the lands of we captivity. If a slave born in America, no you're not American. Slave born in Jamaica, no you're not Jamaican. Them tell you that your nationality come from where you're born from, but your nationality come from the land where your forefathers walk on. Remember we were brought over here upon the caravan, Atlantic slave trade by the Khazars and the Arabians. No say them are Jews, but them are the synagogue of Satan. Don't have no blood lineage to David nor Solomon, to Jacob nor Abraham. So tell me where them come from. Change your history, now we are them and they are we. A full time feed the world, no we are the royal family. Yashra Allah, ancient Israel, they so be Phoebe. And if me no make it in, them sure off me picking it. Time feel we play, and time feel we play, and time feel we play. Free from all the lands, some all the lands of we captivity. Time feel we play, and time feel we play, and time feel we play. Free from all the lands, some all the lands of we captivity. Wake up, yo.
And when ye shall see Jerusalem compassed with armies, then know that the desolation thereof is nigh. Then let them which are in Judea flee to the mountains, and let them which are in the midst of it depart out, and let not them that are in the countries enter thereinto. For these be the days of vengeance, that all things which are written may be fulfilled. But woe unto them that are with child, and to them that give suck in those days, for there shall be great distress in the land, and wrath upon this people. And they shall fall by the edge of the sword, and shall be led away captive into all nations, and Jerusalem shall be trodden down of the Gentiles, until the times of the Gentiles be fulfilled. And there shall be signs in the sun, and in the moon, and in the stars, and upon the earth distress of nations, with perplexity, the sea and the waves roaring, men's hearts failing them for fear, and for looking after those things which are coming on the earth. For the powers of heaven shall be shaken. And then shall they see the Son of Man coming in a cloud with power and great glory. And when these things begin to come to pass, then look up, and lift up your heads, for your redemption draweth nigh.